Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding tracks labeled royalty-free or with a permissive Creative Commons license. Download the original file and save license text. This proves your right to use it. Once done, check whether the track allows commercial use and whether you must credit the creator. Make sure to pick a format suitable for shorts, like MP3 or AAC, and keep an organized folder so you can grab the file and license quickly when editing your clip. You now bring the track into your video editor on a 9:16 timeline dedicated to shorts. Trim and loop portions to fit the 15-60 second length, and apply fades to avoid abrupt cuts. Once done, balance levels so speech remains clear. Aim for the music to sit about 6 decibels below primary vocals. Make sure to add any required on-screen attribution and paste the exact license wording into your description before export, so the use is transparent and compliant. You finish by uploading the short and entering the required license and creator credit into the description field. Once uploaded, check Content ID and copyright notices. If a claim appears, gather your proof, the license text, download receipt, and the exact timestamps showing how you used the track. If the audio is blocked, replace the audio track and re-upload, or file a dispute with that documentation. Remember, keeping clear records prevents future takedowns and speeds resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.